How to enable voice navigation in Apple Maps. So if you want to enable voice navigation on Apple Maps, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Under apps, you need to scroll down again and then you'll find maps. Tap on maps. Once you tap on maps, you need to scroll down again and you'll find an option of spoken directions. Tap on it. Here you can change the voice volume and tweak some other settings as well. So now, when we make sure that you have the spoken directions enabled, you can exit these settings and open up the Apple Maps app. So after opening the Apple Maps application, you can select any location to which you want to drive and make sure that the driving mode is enabled. Once you find the direction or once you find the location, you need to tap on the directions. And after tapping on directions, on the right side, you will have the audio icon and you'll be able to use the voice navigation in your Apple Maps. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.